Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how to redeem your Hopper voucher in 2025. If you're a traveler looking to save big on flights, hotels, or activities, Hopper is an amazing app that makes it easy. By the end of this video, you'll be redeeming vouchers like a pro. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have the Hopper app installed on your phone. If you don't, head to your app store, it's free, and download it. Once that's done, open the app and log in to your account. Use your email, phone number, or any linked social media for a smooth login. Next, navigate to the My Vouchers or Promotions section. This is usually in the main menu or dashboard, often represented by a gift icon. Here, you'll see a list of your available vouchers, including any new ones for 2025. Now, select the voucher you want to use. If it requires a code, you'll be prompted to enter it. Type in the code carefully, double-check for any uppercase letters or numbers, and tap Apply. Hopper will verify it instantly, so keep an eye out for a confirmation message. Once applied, head over to the Search tab to find your travel deals. Whether it's a flight or a hotel, add your selections to the cart. You'll notice the voucher discount reflected in the total price. Pretty exciting, right? Finally, review your booking details, make any necessary adjustments, and complete the payment. That's it, your voucher is now redeemed, and you're all set for your adventure. A quick tip: always check the voucher's expiration date and terms before using it. If you encounter any issues, Hopper's customer support is top-notch and can help resolve things fast. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels in 2025.